This automatic paper folding machine is able to fold any wide format documents printed in several panels, 21 centimeters, by reducing the length. And then with the same single insertion is able to make 1 or 2 cross folds to make 2 or 3 panels for your document. So the machine has a dimension of width 170 centimeters, length 150 centimeters, and a total height 110 centimeters. The total weight of the machine is 300 kilos. The operational folding speed is between 20 to 28 meters per minute. The key features of this equipment are the single copy feed to get the A4. We have a fast and high productivity since we are introducing only one time the documents, a large table to lay down our documents, and a large bin output capacity up to 150 copies. Maximum document input width dimension 92 centimeters and length 3.6 meters only fan fold and 2.1 meters fan fold and cross fold. So we get it right away with a single document insertion, a document fan folded 21 centimeters and then cross folded 29.7 centimeters to get the final A4 package. The paper folding machine has embedded 3 folding programs. Program 1, where we can make documents 90 centimeters plus 2 centimeters of binding margin by 297. Single 210 by 297 with the last panel as it is. And third folding program 210 with the last panel compensated by 297. So let's have a look at the fold process of each one. Okay, let's check for the first folding program. 190 plus 20 millimeters of binding margin. Where we can adjust the binding margin 20 millimeters up to 35 millimeters. So we have 190 end panels and the last one is 210 in order to have the complete package 210 millimeters. Second folding program 210 simple with the last panel as it is without the compensation panel. So the folder folds end times the document's length 21 centimeters with the rest as it is. Third folding program 190 with the last panel compensated. So you see we have the document length folded to end times 19 centimeters with the last panel with a compensation panel in order to have the last to the edge. So this is the program 3, this is the program 2, and this is the program 1. 190 plus binding margin 21 and 19 centimeters.